Okay, so this is the first section on no solution, one solution, infinitely many solutions. It's a really common question that everybody struggled on. So here's the first type. So there's two lines and or two equations. You should know that it's a line just by looking at it, but in case you don't, we just want to know how many solutions this has. Usually it's going to be multiple choice. I took out the answer choices just so I can have more questions in the view. So first we want to figure out the linear equations for it. So basically all that means is just solve for y, just so it's easier to look at, right? So I'm going to solve both of these for y. I'll just call it 1 and 2. So 1 is this. So I'm going to subtract 2x. Subtract 2x and then divide by 3, right? So y is equal to minus 2 third. I'm just doing it quickly just so don't waste time, yeah. But and then 6 divided by 3 is 2, so plus 2. And for the second one is the same thing, right? So subtract the 4x and then divide by 6. So y is equal to minus, and then you simplify it, right? So minus 2 thirds x, and then 12 divided by 6 is 2. So actually they're the same exact equations. So here are the three cases, right? So when you have two lines, so this is a line. If it wasn't a line, it would have like a square, right? So these are lines because the degree is 1 on the x, and that's it. So there's three different cases here. What does it mean for it to be a solution? It's just where they intersect. That's it. That's what a solution means. I'm going to change the color here. So one case is that you have a line that goes like this and a line that goes like this. One intersection, right? So this is one solution. Second is they don't touch at all. This is no solution, 0 solutions, or no solution. And then what do you think the third case is? It says third case is actually infinitely many solution. So this is going to be an answer choice. It's going to be infinite, 1, 0, or like the last one's usually like don't know. It's not going to be don't know. You can tell. But yeah, so for it to be infinitely many, actually, so if you have two lines that are right on top of each other, so like this, then they intersect at every single point on the line. So this is a case of infinitely many solutions, right? So this just means that there's two lines, but they're the same line. So they have the same exact formula, or same equation, just like in this question. So this question would meet this. So the answer to this is infinitely many. Infinitely many. So what about the other two though? Well, one solution is just they have different slopes. So you want to look at the slopes. Minus 2 thirds, minus 2 thirds. If they have the same slope, but they have a different y-intercept, then you would get a graph like this. So you need to have same slope and a different y-intercept, then you would get parallel lines for no solutions. But if the y-intercept is the same, then you get infinitely many solutions. So one solution is all other case, and they just have different slopes. So this could be any slopes, right? So yeah, that's it.